I think heritage is the DNA of each society. Here at Kwatu, it's the first of its kind where the San have got the heritage center, where the San people are telling their own stories in their own way.
This is the only opportunity that we have here to share what has happened to the San people in the past and the present.
The San people feel they are part of the project, owners of this project.
In Botswana, you can see young people are still involved in dancing, sun dancing, and so on. And Botswana, they have got culture festivals every year.
Veldskool moet wees wat elke dag aan die gang is, sodat die kinders kan die kultuur eers leer. Dan het sy klaar die kennis van sy grootjies.
Guys, you see her? Yeah. Know this? It's spring air. Spring air. Yeah, spring air.
San culture is a major attraction for tourists who are also drawn to the abundant wildlife.
Cái